What is up, everybody? Welcome back to The Luxury. Today we're diving into the top altcoins set to explode in September 2025. This isn't random hype, these are projects with major market-moving events on the calendar. We've dug deep into roadmaps and insider info to bring you the 10 biggest opportunities. Missing these could mean missing out on serious gains, so stick around, especially for the last coin, which might surprise you. Let's jump into the biggest altcoin catalysts of September. First up, Ethereum, the king of altcoins. For years, Ethereum has set the standard for smart contracts and decentralized applications, earning its crown as the backbone of the crypto world. This September, the highly anticipated Dencun upgrade is finally here, targeting Ethereum's biggest pain point, those notorious high gas fees that have frustrated users and developers alike. Dencun introduces proto-danksharding, a groundbreaking new way to store data that could slash Layer 2 fees by up to 100x, making transactions faster and more affordable for everyone. If successful, this upgrade will make Ethereum far more attractive for both developers and users, potentially sparking a surge in demand for ETH and new projects building on the network. It's a direct answer to the Ethereum killer narrative. Why look elsewhere when the king just leveled up and is ready to defend its throne with cutting-edge technology? Anticipation is already driving volatility, and a smooth launch could trigger a wave of buying across the entire ecosystem, as investors and traders rush to get ahead of the curve. This upgrade cements Ethereum's role as the foundation of Web3, powering the next generation of decentralized finance, NFTs, and digital communities. We'll be watching every developer call and testnet update, tracking progress and looking for any signs of trouble or unexpected breakthroughs. Ignoring Dencun would be a huge mistake. This upgrade could reshape the entire landscape for Ethereum and its competitors. This is a pivotal moment for Ethereum and the entire crypto market. Don't sleep on it. History is being made right now. Next, Cardano is set to unleash the Hydra scaling update. Hydra introduces Hydra heads, off-chain protocols enabling near-instant, ultra-cheap transactions. Theoretically, Cardano could hit 1 million transactions per second, making it one of the fastest blockchains. This unlocks real DeFi, NFT, and gaming potential for Cardano. The main chain stays secure, while Hydra heads handle the volume. September marks a major rollout milestone, with more projects integrating Hydra. This could attract developers who previously ignored Cardano due to scaling issues. For investors, a successful Hydra launch could spark a major ADA rally. Years of research and development are on the line. If Hydra delivers, Cardano's reputation and price could be transformed. We're watching closely. This is Cardano's moment to silence the critics. Don't overlook it. Solana's annual Breakpoint conference is back this September, and it's always a catalyst for the entire crypto ecosystem. Every year, Breakpoint draws the attention of developers, investors, and enthusiasts from around the world, all eager to see what's next for Solana. Expect major announcements. Last year, new partnerships and protocol upgrades sent projects soaring. The event has a reputation for unveiling game-changing collaborations and technology that can shift the market almost overnight. This year, all eyes are on Firedancer, a new validator client promising huge boosts in speed and stability. Developers and validators are buzzing about its potential to transform Solana's performance and reliability. If Firedancer delivers, it could erase Solana's reputation for outages and finally put concerns about network downtime to rest, making the chain more attractive to both users and builders. Breakpoint is also a magnet for VCs and big investors, fueling a cycle of hype and funding. The networking and deal-making that happen here often set the tone for the next year in Solana's ecosystem. The weeks before the event often see buy the rumor action, and announcements can trigger instant price swings. Traders and speculators watch every hint and leak, hoping to catch the next big move. We'll be covering every reveal live, bringing you the latest updates, interviews, and behind-the-scenes moments as they happen. For us all holders, this is the Super Bowl, a high-stakes event where fortunes can be made or lost in a matter of hours. Don't miss the Breakpoint effect. It's one of the year's biggest events for Solana, and the energy is electric both online and in person. The right news could send the whole ecosystem flying. Stay tuned for fireworks because this could be the moment that defines Solana's future. Solana's next chapter starts here. Be ready for what's coming next. Polkadot's parachain auctions return this September, creating a frenzy for DOT. Projects compete for parachain slots by locking up huge amounts of DOT, often through crowd loans. This locks up supply for years, creating a supply shock and driving up demand. The competition is fiercer than ever, with established projects offering big rewards to DOT holders. It's not just about price. Crowd loans let you earn new tokens from promising projects. September's auctions could be the most impactful yet, with real applications going live. Supporting a winning project means early access to the next big thing. The economic model is genius, and it's all happening this month. Don't miss your chance to get in early. Avalanche's flagship event, the Avalanche Summit, is set to deliver major news this September. Expect big partnership reveals, especially around Avalanche's subnets, custom blockchains for gaming, finance, and more. Each new subnet requires AVAX to be staked, driving constant demand for the token. Imagine a Fortune 500 company launching a subnet live on stage. The price impact could be huge. The summit also brings updates on Avalanche's core tech and roadmap. It's a showcase for the entire ecosystem, attracting investors and developers alike. AVAX often rallies into the event, and announcements can kick off the next leg up. This is where hype meets substance. Watch for game-changing partnerships and tech upgrades. Avalanche's future is being written at this summit. Chainlink's Cross-Chain Interoperability Protocol, CCIP, launches publicly this September, marking a pivotal moment for the blockchain industry. CCIP aims to make moving assets and data between blockchains seamless and secure, replacing risky bridges that have been the source of countless hacks and losses. Imagine sending any token from any chain to any other chain in a single transaction. No more complicated workarounds or technical barriers. It also lets smart contracts on different chains interact directly, unlocking endless DeFi possibilities and enabling new types of decentralized applications that were never possible before. Chainlink becomes the TCP/IP of blockchains, the core communication layer for Web3, just as the internet needed a universal protocol to connect everything. Every cross-chain message generates link token fees, creating massive value if CCIP is widely adopted, and potentially transforming Link's role in the ecosystem. September's launch will see a wave of integrations, partnerships, and a new narrative for Chainlink, as it becomes essential infrastructure for the multi-chain world. Link could become the backbone of the multi-chain universe, powering connections and value transfer across countless networks. This is years in the making, a culmination of vision, development, and persistence, and could send Link to new heights as adoption accelerates. Watch for major project announcements and new integrations as the industry rallies around this breakthrough. CCIP is a true game changer. Don't underestimate its impact. It could redefine how blockchains communicate and collaborate for years to come. Cosmos is rolling out interchain security this September, a breakthrough for its ecosystem. New blockchains can rent security from the Cosmos hub, letting them launch safely from day one. This lowers the barrier for innovation and could spark a wave of new projects. Atom stakers earn rewards from every chain they help secure, turning Atom into a yield-bearing index of the whole network. September marks a critical phase, with many new chains expected to adopt the model. This fundamentally changes Atom's value proposition. It's no longer just for governance, it's the key to ecosystem-wide revenue. Cosmos is about to unlock its true potential. Atom holders, pay attention. Polygon's ZK-EVM mainnet beta update lands this September, and it's a big deal. ZK-rollups bundle thousands of transactions, making Ethereum faster and cheaper. Polygon's ZK-EVM is fully compatible with existing Ethereum apps. This update hardens the network, boosts throughput, and will attract major DeFi projects. Expect a flood of liquidity and users as top apps deploy on ZK-EVM. Matic will be used for staking and gas, driving demand as activity explodes. This is Polygon's move from scaling solution to long-term leader. The ZK rollup war is heating up and Polygon is leading the charge. September is the turning point. Don't miss it. Arbitrum's Odyssey event returns this September, supercharging its ecosystem. The original Odyssey drew massive user engagement, so much that it overwhelmed the network. Now, with upgrades in place, Odyssey 2.0 will be even bigger, with more protocols, tasks, and rewards. The ARB token is live, so expect token incentives and a frenzy of activity. This event will drive all-time highs in users, transactions, and total value locked. For ARB, it's a major catalyst, attracting new users and liquidity. Odyssey systematically onboards users to every corner of Arbitrum. A successful event could spark a major ARB rally. Arbitrum is cementing its lead among Layer 2s. Get ready for the next wave. Near Protocol's NearCon is the big reveal for its blockchain operating system, BOS. BOS lets users interact with apps from any blockchain through a single, simple interface on Near. It's like a decentralized app store for the entire Web3 world. NearCon will showcase new gateways and community-built apps, demonstrating how BOS can onboard the next billion users. The Near token powers transactions and storage across the network. As more users and developers join via BOS, demand for Near grows. NearCon is a massive marketing push for this vision. If BOS delivers, Near could unify the fragmented crypto landscape. Watch for major announcements. That's a wrap. We just covered 10 projects with game-changing events this September. Remember, this is your starting point. Do your own research and never invest more than you can afford to lose. Our goal is to give you the edge for what could be the most profitable month in crypto this year. Which altcoin event are you most excited about? Drop your pick in the comments. If you got value from this video, smash that like button and subscribe for more deep dives. Stay smart, stay safe, and let's win together. See you in the next one.